Well, a couple things. One, the importance of being emotionally aware of not only myself, of what my clients are going through. I did not know the impact that I would have emotionally, psychologically on my clients, but how my internal emotions and psychological shortcomings would affect my clients. I wish through schooling, through my certification, through my degree, I wish they would have prepared me for that instead of me having to figure it out for myself. I wish that I knew that part of being a trainer is marketing. I had no idea that being a trainer was going to involve marketing, like how to talk about myself, like how to talk about what I do. Like if you go into a bank and you go to a bank teller, you don't go to the bank teller and say, tell me what you do with your life, or how are you going to impact my life? You don't go into, many professions, maybe just a doctor or a physical therapist or a dentist, something like that. Most professions, you don't go, well, what do you do? Tell me about yourself. Why should I work with you? You walk into the place, they have their employees, and you pay for the service. And so I didn't realize that so much of what it is that I do is learning how do I market myself in a way that people understand why I do it, how I do it, the benefits of doing it, and why health and fitness is so important and how it impacts so many different aspects of your life. I wish that going back, I would have had a course like this. I would have had a coach or guide like this to help me avoid so many mistakes financially, psychologically, professionally, so that I could have avoided many struggles along the way.